name is Dan Strauss. I'm the president and owner of Strauss Construction, and I own a farm that I put up about 50 acres of hay a year. My main job is building homes. I'm a home builder, and my dad started this company in 1949. I never worked for nobody but my dad, and my boys have never worked for nobody but me. It's a very physical job, but you know, I love it. And I wouldn't trade any of those hard-working days for nothing. You're on your knees constantly, and I never wore knee pads, which I regret. After I had the first one done, I swore I'd never do the second one. But the second one got so bad, I could barely walk. My daughter works at the hospital, and she hooked me up with this doctor. And I said, I'm not going out of town, I'm staying in town.
In my short conversation with Dan, I quickly learned that he isn't the type of man that complains easily. So when he was coming in to see me, I know he meant it, that this pain was really debilitating him.
Dr. Saman made sure that I was taken care of. He treated me like I was his dad. He took care of me. 2 days after he did surgery, I crawled up in that tractor. It hurt, but it didn't stop me, and I was back. I don't pound nails, but I still have to run this job. I have to meet with people, and I did. It never slowed me down. It don't slow me down from hunting and fishing and doing my farm work, and I'm 100% better. I'm married to this little blonde-haired girl that's 4 foot 11 inches tall, the most beautiful girl I've ever laid my eyes on. She took care of me, and without her, as good as that doctor was, without her, I wouldn't be here. And in July, I'll be married to her for 49 years. And if I could go back and live those 50 years over, I'd have married my Wanda. If they take care of you, you've got a good doctor and you've got a good nurse, it's a whole lot easier. And if anybody called me up and said, Dan, who should I have surgery on my knee? I'd tell them Dr. Saman right off the bat. And I'd say, come out and look at my knee. The first couple of days, it's gonna hurt. And if anybody tells you it don't, then they haven't had their knee replaced. But after a few weeks, you're gonna look at your wife and say, hon, I'm glad I did it.